People used to come in and complain about the stink instead of the good smell. That got on my nerves a little bit, get me frustrated. My name is Teresa Fairley. I am the building maintenance superintendent. I take care of the buildings as far as all of the maintenance, ordering the cleaning supplies, and I supervise 10 guys. Well, I've been in the library for 25 years. We have 8 branches, and we're branching out, getting like 3 more. We have quite a few problems. John helped us with the right products for the floors so that we can get the floors clean. And the pit in the basement, that was terrible, horrible. You could smell it all the way through the building. And John puts the chemicals in it every month. He put the barrel of chemical, he put the automatic pump in it so that it'll pump it. Before John came, we used to have to take the 5-gallon bucket, open up the pit, and dump the bucket in the pit. When John came in, he was like, I can help you. I got a thing that I could put it in and it'll do it automatically. So he put the pump and he put the chemical, and he comes every month and change it. And then the bathrooms, and like he said, when you walked in the building, the air freshener in the building, he put the automatic air fresheners. And when people walk in, they love it. It smells so good in here all the time. So he does that for us at a lot of the branches. And he comes every month and he changes that also to make sure that it's always smelling good when people walk in. The guys, they love the Syntastic. Yeah, they love that. They love to use it in the bathrooms and mop the floors, and the patrons love it also. They like the floor products. They like everything. I mean, I don't have any complaints from anything that I get from Steve. It's always been good with Steve. Give them a try and see what happens. And I'm sure that if they try them, they'll like them.
Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to determine if State Chemical would be the right fit for your facility.